He's some old shit. The police coming.
Yeah. What up? Okay. Shorty got a thing for me, yeah. I thought I'd start off by asking where you from, but I...
Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to another day of vlogging. I'm Bentley. Hey girl, hey boy, hey. Do appreciate you guys for tuning into this channel, honey. Make sure y'all hit that comment button. It ain't no comment button. You have to type a comment, right? Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Keep coming back. Come back and watch, girl. Tell me this is the new start of my vlogging week. Work hard, play harder. You catch my... So let's push forward, girls and boys, kings and queens, jits and teens. Let's push forward. But anyway, y'all, today just consists of basically going to the outlets. You know, the kids is about to start school, and we got a little bit of shopping to do. We're gonna be drinking. I got my hookah, I got my tequila, I got some Patron, I got some Casamigos, I got some other tequila. Yes, I am a tequila girl, honey. That's all I drink. Today, it's another blessed day that God has prepared us all to be here. So that's what I'm grateful for. What you grateful for? Okay, we're gonna be on a motherfucking roll. You hear me? It's up. Just know it's up. But anyways, I just wanted to come in. I wanted to check in with you guys, kind of fill y'all in how these vlogs start. They start how they start with a video camera or with your cell phone. Yeah, your start is your start and mine is mine. I just do you. Be authentic. Okay, people are gonna love you for being you, and don't get it twisted. The way I listen, do you, not them. And that's what I'm here for, and that's what y'all gonna see, because Bentley gonna do it. Me talking your head off. I'll be back. I will be back, because like I said, bitch, it's up. I'm gonna get me some drink. I didn't do anything last night because the bitch was tired. Okay, but anyways, I love you guys, and I hope you grow to love me as well. But in the meantime, in between time, girl, I'll see y'all later.
And I ain't never got my chain took. Every time I'm in the club, I got that same look. Boot up on that molly if you want and get your brain. These days it feel like you and me. Heartbreak and a burn. Still see the messages you read. Like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that all these days it feel like
I like those too.
Never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't fight. I can get it to you right, baby. Wrong. I wanna be a healer.
One of my favorites.
I can be real good. Don't get in your feelings.
And that's a perfect combination too. Damn, I'm feeling it.
I need some love.
Well,
I need some love. And you can't judge.
I'm trying to get in the bird. I'm trying to get at it. My phone, all in the feelings. Let me where I'm at. Hey, look how you turn your Honda Accord into a Benz. Hey, I'm trying to get it, little baby. Your life is every time.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Hello, guys. If you are new here, welcome. If you are coming back, welcome back. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hey, y'all. Good morning. It's Friday the 13th, and it's Friday. Jason. Freddie. Candyman. Somebody. Good morning. Hey, y'all. Girl, it's another blessed day. And I hope you blessed with me, baby. Because I opened my eyes, baby. I hit the floor. I made my bed. Can't tell me shit. Okay, you can't tell me nothing. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of vlogging. As I stated, it's Friday the 13th. Don't let nobody get your ass. Hey, you. Don't let nobody get you. Don't let nobody snatch your ass up, okay? Your girl is up and at it this morning. It's up and it ain't the fuck stuck, cause ain't nothing getting stuck, okay? Period. But I'm here talking to you. Blessed. It's just amazing how things and God work, baby. Whoever you serve, baby, give them that praise, baby. So anyway, guys, I got a lot in store for me. Okay, I don't know what this weekend holds, but baby, we gonna see. Whew. Let me tell y'all something. It's the Friday vlogging for me. It's Friday the 13th. We out here. We outside. Okay? I'm outside. I'm about to get my nails done. And then I might go to the pool, guys. Y'all know my little bae in town. She came to check us out.
If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from it. Put 6 figures in your business. I do rich. I talk cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails deep.
I'm done getting my nails done and I'm back at the house. What's the move? What's the tea, girl? What the fuck is the move? Baby! Gonna know. Listen, I'm on my shit. I'm on my vlogging shit. I'm ready. Listen, I'm ready. And what's the move? So what we doing? It looks like we going to the pool, thunder and all. Even though it might send me to the upper room, I'm going to the pool. Whether you say so or not. Whether the weatherman say so or not. It's up to me if I want to get struck and sizzle. Like, for real. In the meantime, in between time, girl, make sure you liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Keep watching. I got you. But anyway, I don't want to hold y'all because I ain't with the holding shit. Either you gonna be the beach or you gonna be the quicksand. Bitch, I'm the beach. Okay? I ain't the one to hold you back. I'm the one that's pushing forward, encourage you with, and other things. I'm not getting in. No, I'm not getting in. I'm just gonna get my feet wet. So I'll see y'all at the pool.
You should know this. You see I'm golden, shining, floating. And if she sees me, she knows that I'm scoping. From far and near, you take me away. She's fiending on me, so I take her home. She build her up to get me in the zone. She's fiending on me, so I take her home. We all alone, she starts to moan. She know I like her tone. When I give her the bone, yeah, she starts to moan. When I give her the bone, we all alone, she starts to moan. She cause the God in my feet, twerk, 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 twerk. Roll the zoobie, let it burn, 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 burn. No more waiting, it's my turn, 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 turn. All the haters gonna learn, 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 learn. Oh, slow wine, baby, just go low. Oh, out of time, but I want some more. no, 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 yeah, yeah. Out of time, but I want some more.
You can be yourself or be a bad man. You can be a track queen or a black queen. And then you roll, you like Matt. Pull the whip over and do stuff in the back.
That's my view.
All I do is show you love and go and
So
stand.
let me turn this way so
Girl,
you
you know
guys.
you wavy like you match. And you're always so worried about us girl use. You should dry man on road and let it clap beat. I mean, come and light up the ends. Really, I don't need to pretend. Man down when she light up the skeng. My new girl, she cancels on friend. And we lie back and light up her bed. Hey, let me get to know you better. Babe, no more flirting, I'm just trying to make you well. Kisses on her neck and then I started to caress her. I'm like Cool J and Ofoka, baby, I'ma love you better. Nizzy.
No, 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 yeah, yeah. Out of time, but I want some more. You gotta let me twerk.
I put in work, bitch, I'm feeling a bird. Hey, I put in work, I make it work. I can do Rex,
40K smile, so I say cheese. Haters be quiet and they talk when I leave. Ain't no handouts, got nothing for nobody. Nope, I really.
But I swear I've never loved you more. If you right here by
Tell them, haters, get on your job. Motivation, get on your job. Tell them.
Up in that secret room.
It's a vibe, different vibe. It's my vibe, nigga. All the bitches like it.
Ha, how you like that? You gon' like that?
No more. Maybe cause we ain't making love no more. I'm staying out.
Watch me check up on you. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I get it on. Come over and check up on it. 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 I get it on. Come over and check up on it. Check up on
You
it.
got to get out and edge.
Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
What's up?
Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up.
I was outside smoking.
Where we were, kinda thing. Bet you cry.
Before I get ready to go.
Where we were, kinda
I'm about to
thing.
go.
Bet you cry.
Rec league, I ain't paying a ball. Y'all be string like a broke guitar. He'll put it down like the family dog. Girl, I murder some, murder one. Explain it all, Ferguson. We ain't gotta sing the same old love song. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl with the same black gloves on. Cut a white girl.
He's a man now, let your edge out. To some ice, but you be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Spider. Press I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters.
And I said what I felt, no rewrite. Nah, they can't hold me. June, July, drop songs, double dicks, I mark songs, I scorch windows, I burn hard. Gut niggas so curved on nail bond and crush on. I gotta wait in line for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
What kind of thing? Bet you cry all alone where we were. Kind of thing. Bet you cry all alone where we were. Kind of thing. Bet you cry all alone.
Morning. Girl, it's another smoking hot ass day in the state of Nevada, okay?
It's hot. It's hot. It's like 106
And
degrees.
it's only 11 in the morning. This shit makes no sense at all. And my dumb ass sitting out here in it. Every vlog is only gonna get better. Like the quality, the content, like everything is only gonna get better. So girl, boy, man, child, cat, dog, alpaca, horse, anybody, come join. If you can click a button with a twisted hat and a so fat ass. But anyways, I am changing my flowers out for the week. I've already added some. I don't know exactly what they are, but they are beautiful.
Rolling in my ride, so I gotta take it slow. You got me so high, way we go. Racing to the sky, beautiful. Cause the neighbors
Scratched $1 million off my checklist 3 years ago. At 2 zeros to the 1, I'm in a different mode.
Can I hit it again? Can I hit it again? Can I hit it again?
Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in.